Hello Sagittarius, this is your quick oracle reading gamit ang Wisdom of the Oracle and yung card mo po is number 22, Blessed. Things will be changing na talaga very soon for you. Andoon na you are seeing yung impact ng mga pinagagagawa mo before. You're also seeing na kumbaga sa halaman na tinanim mo, sa butong tinanim mo, nagsisimula na siyang sumibol. It is a good time for you to start claiming what is rightfully yours. It is a good time for you para i-start mo na siyang i-celebrate. Because by welcoming it, by being thankful doon sa mga parating, you are actually adding to the energy of the manifestation para mas mabilis dumating to sa'yo. Remember, there is what we call the attitude of gratitude. Use that to your advantage. Allow mo yung sarili mo to be more thankful so that the universe will be more than willing to provide more for you. I'll see you on the next reading.